So in this Vrbo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the total price filter here on Vrbo. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Vrbo application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom left here and press on the home icon or the home screen. Then go to the top here and select your destination, the dates, and the travelers. Once that is done, press on the blue search bar. And once you have your initial search, if you want to refine it a little bit more, what you can actually do first off is go to price. So right in between popular and rooms up here, press on price. Then where it says nightly price, make sure that total price is selected. So this of course would be the cost, the total cost of your price, not just from an individual nightly basis. So if you want to change your trip to, let's just say, no less than $10,000 for instance, you can go ahead and press on that, then press on done right here. That's one way to do it. Now another way you can actually do it as well is right beside popular on the left side, there's the filters icon. Just scroll down to where it says price right here. Make sure that nightly price is not selected and that total price is selected. And as I mentioned before, you can make it as much or as little as you're kind of looking for here. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to edit the total price filter here on Vrbo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.